For me, Sobek is like a really good boy. Like, he only likes doing his business outside his cage. When he's outside. He's so nice. So I only have to like clean his cage every now and then.
Yeah, no. I fucking love having birds because when you go like grab water at the middle of the night when they're all sleeping, you turn on the lights and they all wake up and they just collectively start shitting.
Oh my god! Really?
It's so fucking funny. Because you're on the way to the sink and you just hear.
So they all do their morning shit together.
Yeah, like they don't shit when they sleep, so when they wake up they just instantly shit.
Oh my
It's so good. It's so funny. That's the best part about having birds. They're waking up shit. You're out of resin.
Okay.